Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? I know you're well. Welcome to all the new members who just joined us. All the learning materials are in the Facebook group. So go to the pinned post and go to the quick links. All the courses, all the topics are there. Just pick a topic and start learning. If you have any questions, post them right here in Facebook or on the WhatsApp, and I'll be able to help you, and all the other Eagles will be able to contribute. Well, today I wanted to address our desire for learning. As we learn, we have to take action, we have to review, we have to revise and repeat the process. One thing about lifetime learners and people who love personal development is their addiction to learning. I fell into that category for the longest time. I love to consume information. It's just what I do. But consuming information without implementation, it doesn't help. So we consume information, get a nugget, go implement it in your life, and to the degree at which you implement that action into your life, those are the results. If you provide massive action, well, you're going to get massive results. Then as you go on with the results, make sure to review. Are you on track? Are you getting success? If there is failure, then change the direction. Keep tweaking until you get a formula that actually works for you. So reviewing is essential. Then you revise onto the new method or new strategy, new technique, whatever you decide. Then you repeat the process. So we don't want to be stuck in only learning mode without implementation. So the formula is you learn, you take action, massive action, you review, you revise, and repeat the process, and the cycle keeps going. We have to adapt an attitude of a lifetime learner, so there is no end in sight. You learn a nugget every time. You implement every time. You should always keep in mind the idea of the compounding effect. All those little actions you're taking, they will compound, and you will realize a year later, a few months later, that you've made so much traction in terms of changing the direction of your life and getting your heart's desires. Well, this is Mother Eagle. Leave your comments below and be sure to teach someone something. Whatever you learn, share. Teach it to someone else. That way you'll concrete it better in yourself. Talk to you soon.